Hi, today we are going to help my little sister junior kindergarten helping her science experiment. So, her experiment was that we're testing these items that float or sink. But first I'll tell what item I'm going to give to my little sister, and then she'll put it in the bowl of water. Then she'll tell my sister to record the float or sink items. Floats or sink items. Play-Doh container.
It floats.
It floats.
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 Mm-hmm.
Number 1. Next, a ball with holes. And it sinks.
Sinks.
Yeah, one on each side right now. A ball.
It floats.
It floats. Because there's air inside, like a ball, like a beach ball. It floats on the water. Now let's start with a person. It's swimming. It's swimming, and that's why it's float down. Next, a fake ice cream.
It floats.
It floats.
Float.
I thought you would sink. And now for sunglasses.
It sinks.
It sinks.
Sinks.
We have too much on float right now. Let's start with tomato. That's heavy.
Careful. It floats.
Let's do a gem.
We never tried that one yet, did we?
Oh, it sinks. Now it's from outside. A rock.
Rock. Careful.
It sinks. The capacity is heavy. Anyways, next is a lime. A sour fruit.
Line
It floats.
Oh, we have 6 in float and 4 in sink.
Sink is catching up. A toy car. Whoa.
It is sink.
I just saw air bubbles. Anyways, next, toy cookie. It floats like a boat. Float. Let's do a toy plant.
Did we try that one yet?
I don't know. It floats by the plant up. Okay, next, should we do another fruit? Let's do it. An apple.
It floats.
It floats. It floats. Wow, sink is not catching up now. Yogurt.
I thought sink was catching up.
It floats.
What's that? It's like his body.
It's like a
Oh my gosh. 10 in float and just like 5 in sink. That's
A
crazy.
teddy bear cutout.
Maybe it might float. Float.
Float.
Don't play with the water.
Should we do Lego now? A Lego truck.
No, it's broken.
Whoa! A car never floats, but Lego.
Real cars sink, okay?
Anyways,
It's sinking.
it sinks.
Finally sink.
Sink's not catching up. Now it's for domino. What does it do?
It sinks.
It sinks. I thought it would float because. Anyways, next is pencil crayon.
Just don't take it.
Float. It floats. 13 on float and sink on 7. Okay, whatever. Block.
I think it might float. It floats.
It floats. Wow, too many floats right now.
I might have to go to the next level.
A fork.
What?
It's pointing on the ground.
Like, what in the world is it doing?
Look at this. It's
It's just like bouncing.
The
but
points is on the
It's not like sing and float.
go.
No.
Just sink.
Yeah, just sink in the
Cup.
bottom. So
Glass cup.
be careful.
It might break into pieces.
Oh, that was a big bell.
Without air, without water, it floats. But there's no capacity in it. But I'll put water.
If we put it in, then it will
Sink.
Sing.
Because
Yeah.
there's no more air, no more gravity,
Oh.
no more buoyancy. Coca-Cola,
Whoa.
baby. It floats or sinks.
It's kind of like the fork too.
Let's just say. Okay, just do sink.
Because the Coca-Cola.
We have 2 more items. Cup. Oh my gosh!
Put the water in now.
And now
Can I try?
Mm-hmm.
the special one.
Put it backwards. Now turn it around.
A white egg. Be
Mm-hmm.
careful.
I don't want it to break.
Oh,
It sinks.
Sing?
it sinks. And now that's it for today. And so our chart has
14 float and 10 sink. Bye bye.